If you are looking to up your game here on YouTube and make those awesome videos and actually have people click on them, well, there's one thing that you got to do. And guess what? It's all coming up next. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to go over how easy it is to create an awesome thumbnail that will get people to click on your videos. You know, we can have an awesome idea and make awesome content, but unless someone clicks on our video, all of our hard work and time and dedication to this process is all in vain. You see, you are competing with other YouTubers out there for what video gets clicked on, basically. I mean, how do you know what the video is going to be about unless you click on it, right? Well, that's where the thumbnail comes in. It's a very, very important part of your video. If people are not going to click on it, then you can spend all the time in the world just, creating this awesome video and editing it and getting it just right. And it's a perfect video, but unless people want to click on it, it might not go anywhere. So look, if you're looking to up your game and get more views for your videos and you're kind of wondering why it's not happening, well, it might be because of your thumbnail. If your thumbnail doesn't look interesting, people just kind of browse, and you see here on the screen, all this, they're just kind of going through there, seeing something that might catch their eye, right? Just something in here. It looks kind of interesting. The terminal list. And they're just kind of going through and seeing what might, catch their eye. But if your thumbnail doesn't look very good, or it's not appealing to what they are looking for, then they're not going to click on it. And they're not going to see that awesome video you created. So I wanted to show you all this cool video here where you too can create awesome thumbnails easily and fast. And do you know how? Well, it's called Canva. And let's take a look. So here we are inside of Canva. And this is my page that I have here inside of Canva. And basically, Canva is a template website where they have many, many different kinds of templates for whatever it is you want. And it's not just for YouTube either. It's for pretty much anything. You can create book covers in here. You can create presentations, logos, Instagram stuff, flyers, what have you. But if you are a YouTube content creator, Canva is an awesome place where you can create thumbnails for your videos that will look professional, that are easy to do, and only take a few minutes to even create. I mean, you can just use one of the pre-designed templates and just edit the title or description or what have you on the thumbnail, and you're done. And then all you do is download it. Like, for instance, on this one right here. So I edited this one earlier. I might use it, might not. I haven't decided yet. But all you have to do is hit share, download, and download that PNG. That's all you have to do. It's really that simple, guys. And when I talk about simple, when you go here, let's go back to the beginning here. If you're at the home page here and you go and you say, well, I want to look for YouTube thumbnails, right? And you wait, and you wait. I got a slow internet connection, by the way, here. But anyway, and you see, look at all of these different types of thumbnails that you can just click on and edit to whatever video that you're wanting to do. Look at all these. They're already done for you. You just take them and use them. See? Look at this. It's pretty cool, huh? All of these, you can just click on them and change them. Maybe you want to use this one right here for whatever it is. Just go in here, right? Just resize it. See, look how easy that was. How to make money on YouTube today, right? And then all you do is hit that share and download it. Voila, you're done. All right, so maybe you want to make you make these killer lattes and you know how to do all that stuff and you have this cool YouTube channel. This is already pretty much done for you. All now you have to do is just, you know, maybe edit it a little bit. Episode 1. See? Just that simple. And you can color it, change the colors of it, whatever it is you want to do, you know. I mean, it's really simple, guys. And they got so many different templates, so many different things. You can even start out with one from scratch if you want. But anyways, that's just what I wanted to show you all today. It was just a really quick and easy way you can create thumbnails using Canva. So check it out today. I'll leave a link down there in the description. Go on Canva today, and it's really an awesome site. You can pretty much create anything you want. They have a free version, and they also have the premium version. I have the premium because I do a lot of YouTube videos, but it's just a really cool thing. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And guess what? If you want to see more of my videos in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish y'all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.